Hey, hello friends. Welcome to our channel SAP SD and ABAP League support. So today we'll see the same change request and how it will be going to approved by the requester. Yesterday, the project manager brings the status from validation to be approved status. Now it has to be approved by the requester only, not by the manager. The manager will just do the validation only. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, now let's go to the edit mode of this request for change document, and I'm now in the edit mode. Okay, so let me scroll down. Okay, you see here there is one tab called approval procedure. Here you see the step ID, step description, the partner function, okay, and the partner ID, something like this. So if I click this arrow mark here, activity on, right, you get three options: approved, not relevant, rejected. So if you make it as an approve, then only it will go to the next stage as an approved. It will come to sixth stage now. Or if you want to change something here, okay, like I want to change the item category 1 here or category 2, or if you want to change it to the priority from medium to high or medium to low. So in those cases, again you can reset to the validation. After doing the changes in that certain fields, you can again send it back to the change manager or project manager to do the validation one more time. If everything is fine, not to do any changes means we can simply make it approve. So how to do that? You see under approval procedure tab, we have an option called activity. Here we have again three more options: approved, not relevant, rejected. So rejected means this request for change will be cancelled. Okay, let me make it as an approved now, and I will save now. Okay, you see here after approving this, the first three steps created: validation, to be approved, has been completed, and rejected extend scope has been grayed out because it's not possible to come to this step as of now because we approved this one. Rejected means it will be highlighting this one. Extend scope means we are going to extend this request for change for some other requirement as well. That we can discuss later. Okay, now we are in the approved status. So what I will do, I will again go to the edit mode. Currently I'm edit mode only. I go to actions. Okay, so now the approval has been done. What will be the next step? That I can discuss in the next video. Thank you. Bye for now.